Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's video we're going to talk about the powerful and often misunderstood concept in technical analysis, Ride divergence, and how we can use this daily. Alright, if you want to trade with the trend instead of against this strategy can significantly improve your time and confidence. Let's get started with that. What is Ride divergence? Most traders learn about regular divergence first. Regular divergence usually signals impossible trend reversal, but Ride divergence is different. Signals trend continuation. That means the market is likely to continue moving the same direction after a pullback, and this is exactly what you want the trading buying options. Alright, Ride probably enters in strong trends. Okay. So let's focus in bullish example. There are three key conditions. First one, clearly defined trend. The RSI makes a lower low. The price makes higher low. When these three conditions appear together, we have confirmation of Ride divergence. Okay, let's break into down step by step. So the first one, identifying and defining the trends. You just need to search for a need strong and uptrend. The market must be making higher highs and higher low. This is very important. Alright. RSI makes a lower low. You look for the RSI indicator during the pullback, and in an uptrend the RSI will retrace. In Ride bullish divergence, the RSI creates a lower low. The market look like bearish moment on the first glance, but here's the key: it's showing temporary weakness. And the third one, price makes a higher low. At the same time, guys, price action tells a different story. Instead of making lower low, the price makes a higher low. The spin buyers are still in control, even though the RSI shows more momentum to the downside. The price refuses to drop further. That is strength. And this difference between the indicators price action is the Ride divergence. Why this confirms continuation? This partner confirms continuation because the trend is bullish. Sellers try to push the market down. Momentum indicator shows weakness. Price structure remains strong. They show underlying buying pressure. Smart money is still supporting the trends, and that increases the probability that the market will continue moving up. Alright. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. How to enter the trading buying option. Now let's talk about execution. Okay. After identifying Ride bullish divergence, wait for the pullback, reverse correction to finish that. Look for a bullish confirmation candle. Enter another call option in the direction of the trend. For expiration time, that's up to you. If you want to use 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 seconds, you just need to wait for the 2 or 3 candles on your current time frame. For example, if you are trading in a 5 minutes chart, you can use 10 or 15 minutes expiration. Alright, this gives the trend enough time to continue. Important of that tips: even though Ride divergence is powerful, no strategy is 100% accurate. Okay, but remember that trade with proper risk management. Avoid overtrend, focus only on the strong trends. Combine with support levels or moving average for a strong confirmation. The best setups happen when right version aligns with a key support zone. So I recommend you try to use Bollinger Bands to help with that. There's your probability increasing significantly. Quick recap, alright? Look for the final trend. RSI makes a lower low when just crossing the 7 or the 3rd line. Okay, price makes a higher low. This confirms continuation and entry in the direction of the trends. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright, and that's it. That's simple, that's clear, and that's effective. Right version is one of the best tools for trend trades, guys, on this situation, and that to help you to trade with the momentum instead of find it. Practice the strategy in a demo account first, testing the different market conditions, and once again, confidence. Apply in your life, okay? Try to do that during your daily session. If you find this video helpful for you, keep studying, keep practicing, write your opinion in the comments. Alright. And wish you good profits, good preparation, and let's go for that. That's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.